Spanish Part 7, Forms of Regular Verb, Part B to be continued. Contents we have, pick the right option, today's conversation, interrogation word, new words, grammar tips, new notes, and what we have learned so far. So now we have picked the right option, sheet answers, we need to choose the right option. Then we have the visit Colombia, choose the right option. Hint here is dance translate to Bailar and visit translate to Bistar. And how would you answer that? Simply just look at the table and what she translates to, that is Aja. Aja takes the form of A. Make the sentence and take a hint and pick the right option. Next we have today's conversation, that is Lisa. Tress says, hello, what is your name? Mark replies, hello, my name is Mark, and you? Lisa says, I am Lisa. Where do you study? Mark says, I study in America. Where do you work? Lisa, I work at the hospital. So then we have interrogation word, that is where translates to donde, and to where translates to a donde. Next we have new words in the conversation. We have at translates to and, in translates to an, the with the masculine subject translates to al. So next we have grammar tips. In Spanish, articles like a and the change form depending on the gender of the subject. We will look at their forms in future lessons. So next we have today's conversation. Let's break our conversation step by step. We'll be looking through the translations. So on the one hand we have conversation in English, on the other hand in Spanish. So first Lisa says, hello, what is your name? That would translate to hello, hola. What is your name? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? Next we have Mark replies, hello, my name is Mark, and you? That is hello, hola. And mi nombre es Mark. Mi nombre es Mark. And you translate to a. Why is used for and. So you have to remember that. That is a new word also. Next we have Lisa. I am Lisa. So that would be yo soy Lisa. I am Lisa. Where do you study? Donde estudias? You takes up the form of what? You can relate to that table, and then that is estudias. I study in America. Yo estudio en America. So we have note here that estudias is the right form of estudiar, because simply second person it is you formal, so takes up the sound of as, so that would be estudias. Next for I study, that is estudio is the right form of estudiar, because first person I takes up the sound of o, studio. Next we have where do you work? That is donde trabajas. You again, did you notice that the trabajas is the right form, because trabajar second person you informal, that would be taking the sound of as, so trabajas. Next we have I work at the hospital, that is yo trabajo. Remember Joe takes up the sound of o, so yo trabajo and el hospital. Next we have here that we have provided the note also that trabajo is the right form of trabajar with first person. Okay, the hospital, el hospital, because as hospital is considered masculine, so it will be taking the form of al. So here's what we have learned today, that is in English and Spanish translation. Hello, what is your name? Hola. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Hello, my name is Mark, and you? Mi nombre es Mark, y tú? I am Lisa. Yo soy Lisa. Where do you study? ¿Dónde estudias? I study in America. Yo estudio en America. Where do you work? ¿Dónde trabajas? I work at the hospital. Yo trabajo en el hospital. Next we have cultural information, gifting related information, that is in formal context, gifts are not typically exchanged at initial business meeting, because usually gifts are only at the conclusion of successful negotiations. Next we have, if you are invited to a Spaniard's house, bring the host or hostess a gift such as chocolate, pastry, or bottle of wine. If they have children, especially bring the gift for them. Next, ensure the gifts are beautifully wrapped, are usually given in old number but not 30. And avoid giving the leaves, cherries, sentiments, and white lilies. Some of these are used for funerals. So what we have learned so far, revision we have forms of regular verb, to walk translate to caminar, to study, estudiar, to teach, enseñar, to walk, to work, to trabajar, to ask, preguntar, to take, tomar, to answer, contestar. Personal pronoun and what form does it take? Yo takes up the sound of o, nosotros takes up the sound of amos, tú, you informal singular takes up the sound of as, vosotros, you informal plural takes up the sound of is, usted, you formal singular takes up the sound of a, ustedes, you formal plural takes up the sound of an, then ella takes up the sound of a, that is ellos, ellas takes up the sound of an. Next, personal pronoun plus verb, in English on one hand, in Spanish on the other hand. So I walk, yo camino, we walk, nosotros caminamos, you walk, that is informal singular, you, that is tú caminas, you walk, informal plural, that is vosotros camináis, you walk formal singular, usted camina, you walk formal plural, ustedes caminan, he, she walks, ella camina, they walk, ellos, ellas caminan. In English we have conversation on the one hand, and in Spanish on the other hand. So it says, hello, what is your name? Hola, ¿cuál es tu nombre? Hola, hello, my name is Mark, and you? Hola, mi nombre es Mark, y tú? I am Lisa. Where do you study? ¿Dónde estudias? I study in America. Yo estudio en América. Where do you work? ¿Dónde trabajas? I work at the hospital. Yo trabajo en el hospital. So for today video, we are done and we'll see you in next one. Thanks for watching.